Hi, this is Clay from Conferences.io. I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the best ways to test your poll questions. In this brief tutorial, we'll look at the different methods to test poll questions, how to edit your poll questions, and then how to clear out your test responses. Let's get started. I'll use a sample app as shown here. Your site might look a little different, but the process will be the same. I have a session with some polls that I want to test, so I'll start by choosing that session, and next, I'll ensure that I'm signed in as a moderator. When you're ready to test your poll questions, one option is to use your smartphone or tablet device for testing, like shown here. Using the manual unlock button, I can unlock my poll questions and then test them on my mobile device. Before going further, I want to emphasize that manually unlocking poll questions is not something that you'll normally do during a live session. It's great for your own testing purposes, but normally you'll use our PowerPoint integration feature or our browser-based presentation mode to manage your poll questions. Both of those features will automatically unlock polls and push the questions to attendees' mobile devices. We cover this in some related videos. But when you want to quickly test some new poll questions, manually unlocking them as shown here is very handy. Let's continue this first approach of testing via a mobile device. If you'd like to conduct your testing at your computer, here's one approach that works well. Open a different browser. Let me explain. My main browser window shown here is Google Chrome. I am logged in as a moderator in Chrome so that I can manage my poll questions. If I attempted to open a second tab or a new window in Chrome, I wouldn't be able to test my poll questions because it will still reflect the same logged in condition for moderating. So to test polls, one great option is to open a different browser. In my case, I might open Firefox, Safari, or Internet Explorer. As long as it's a different browser than the one being used for moderation, it will work. Another option is to use the private or incognito mode of your main browser. In Chrome, you can do this via the menu button in the corner. Choose New Incognito Window. After opening the window, you can safely go to your app's URL and use it for testing. It's helpful to resize the window too. In Firefox, it's called a new private window. With Internet Explorer, it's called In Private Browsing, and you can open this via the Tools button under Safety. If you'd like to respond again and again to the same poll question, you can use a combination of options previously mentioned, or just open new private windows over and over to submit additional poll responses. While testing your poll questions, if you need to edit your poll, simply click on the poll question from your moderator view like this. From here, you'll see the option to edit your poll. You can change the text of your question and choices, as well as change the type of poll and/or the results format. Click Save when done. After you have completed your testing, you can clear out your test responses by clicking on the poll question, followed by the choice entitled Clear All Responses. The screen will indicate it is now waiting for responses after doing so. You can safely click to go back or close your browser when done. In summary, there are a variety of ways to test your poll questions, and Conferences.io makes it easy to edit your poll questions and clear the responses at any time. Thank you for watching. This concludes our look at how to test poll questions.